Imagine making $23 per hour with a secret method hidden within Google Translate. Sounds too good to be true, right? In just a few moments, you'll be learning about an incredible opportunity that could change the way you think about making money online. Well, stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have the key to a whole new way of generating serious cash. All right, let's dive into this video. First, open the Google Translate website. If you don't know how to open, then just search Google. Translate into Google search and open the first website. Basically, this online tool allows users to translate text into different languages. Now, the second website we are going to use is sepagrip.com. This website is a platform for affiliate offers that users can promote and earn money. To get started, click on the register button and fill in all the basic details like first name, last name, email address, and then click on Register Now button to create an account. If you ever wondered if making money online was a real deal, well, this platform has real users sharing their success stories in the public chat. A strong sign it's trustworthy. Now click on Offer Tools and then My Offers. In this section, you can see the offers that are available for your country. To view high-paying offers, just click on the Payout column. You can see that I can get $1.45 for this offer. But wait, there's more. I've got a secret trick up my sleeve to make even more money using this site. Let me tell you that first. See that Net EPC column that displays some amount for every offer? Basically, this is the amount you will get if a user just clicks on your link, even if he didn't complete that offer. You will be paid for just clicking. If you're thinking how you will get traffic, then don't worry. I will also tell you a secret way that you can use to get free traffic. Now, if you're after the high-paying offers, here's a trick. Just switch to France, Italy, or Spain in the Country tab. Those places pay more compared to others. It's like a shortcut to more cash. I'm going to select France. Now let's find an offer that'll really grab users' attention and make them click that link. Check this out. I've got my eyes on this offer. It's all about getting users to share their contact info. If I take this French text and pop it into Google Translate, voila, it says, enter your information now to get started. Pretty enticing, right? This is the kind of hook that'll reel them in. To promote this offer, we need to get an offer link. So just click on the copy link button to get the link and save this into Notepad. All right. Now I'm going to reveal the secret website that you can use to get free traffic. Website is called trafficadbar.com. As you can also read in the heading that they promise over a whopping 1,000 visitors to your website in just 3 days. Now let's do some math. Imagine this. Only 10 visitors clicking on our link and entering their info could earn us $340. Now, if all visitors finish their offer, we're looking at $34,000. But let's be realistic. We know that's not always the case. Let's go with a safe bet and say just 1% of the traffic completes the offer. Even with this low estimate, we're still looking at a solid $340. To share our link, the first step is to sign up on the Traffic Ad Bar website. It's easy. Just hit the sign up button. Then, type in your first name and email address. And finally, click the join button. Check your email inbox and find the verification message. Click on the verify button in that email to activate your account. After that, complete the setup process by creating a password and choosing a username. Once all your details are verified, click on the Create Account button. When prompted, click OK to finish the setup process. You can also select a convenient time to receive daily points emails. Now we're ready to add our affiliate link that we've generated from the Sepagrip website. Go back where you saved your link earlier. I've saved it in Notepad. Copy the link from there and paste it into trafficadbar.com. But here's the one little problem. Traffic Ad Bar doesn't accept direct links from websites like Sepagrip, so we need a workaround to make it work. Create simple landing page. Add Sepagrip offer link to landing page. Provide the link of landing page on Traffic Ad Bar website. To make a landing page, we can use Google Sites. Start by searching Google Sites on Google and click the link that says Google Sites. Next, select the blank option. Now, it's time to customize the landing page to make it eye-catching and engaging. Let's head back into Google Translate and convert the captivating heading "Chance to win an iPhone for free" into French. Once you have the translated text, paste it onto your landing page. Play around with the text size to ensure it stands out and catches the eye effectively. Following that, it's time to make your page pop with visual appeal. Upload an image that's attention-grabbing and resonates with your offer. Once the image is uploaded, adjust its size and alignment until it fits seamlessly within the page's layout. For the final touch, let's add a text box that will act as a powerful call to action. Add another text box to your landing page. Within this text box, write a phrase like, "Click here to win an iPhone," to entice users to take action. Translate this text to French using Google Translate and replace it with the French version. Adjust the text size and position to make it attractive. Select the full text and click the Insert Link button and paste SEPA Grip offer link, then click the Apply button. This link will be the gateway for users to click and get redirected to the offer we've chosen. To make your landing page live and accessible, follow these steps. Click on the Publish button located at the top right corner of the Google Sites editor. A window will appear. Choose a name for your landing page, for instance, Free iPhone Giveaway. After naming it, hit the Publish button again, this time located at the bottom of the window. And there you have it. Your landing page is now live and accessible to users under the name you selected. Begin the process by copying the link of your published landing page. To do this, click on the Copy Published Site Link option. Lastly, click the Copy Link button. Now, let's head back to the Traffic Ad Bar website. Paste the copied link into the provided space and then click the Add a Website button. Now go to Google Translate and translate "Win an iPhone for free" into French. Once you have the translation, copy it to your clipboard. Now, navigate to the Traffic Ad Bar website. Look for the Ad Title section and paste the translated text into that space. Next, let's add another line to the ad. Write, "Enter the giveaway now," and translate it to French using Google Translate. Once translated, copy the French version. Return to the Traffic Ad Bar Ad Title section and paste the translated text after the previous translation. Moving on, scroll down the page. You'll come across an option to choose the language for your ad. In my case, it's French. Keep scrolling to find the target location setting, where I will select France. This ensures that your ad will be visible to visitors from France. After that, pick a date for when you want your ad to start displaying. Finally, click the Save button to lock in your settings. That's it. The process is completed. And now all you have to do is wait and collect the money. If you like this video, please hit the like button to let me know and comment on which country you are from so I can make videos about money-making opportunities that can also work in your country. If you want to earn money by watching TikTok videos, then check out this video.